former daycare owners are each accused of using their businesses to steal hundreds of thousands of taxpayer dollars. This morning, each woman appeared before a judge on charges of fraud, theft by deception, and false statements to receive public assistance benefits. WLKY's Marissa Alter was in court. She now joins us live from the newsroom with the details on these allegations. Marissa?
Vicki, these felony charges are the result of a 2-year investigation by Kentucky's Cabinet for Health and Family Services Inspector General. Now, just to be clear, these are 4 separate cases, but similar crimes. Tyondra King.
Enter a plea of not guilty.
Larethia Walker.
Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Walker, we enter a plea of not guilty.
Katrina Clyburn.
Enter a plea of not guilty.
And Latanya Williams.
I'd like to go ahead and enter a plea, Your Honor, of not guilty.
Each accused of bilking the state out of child care assistance benefits and other public assistance benefits.
The allegations do involve a very large amount of money that we feel that the evidence will show that they were not entitled to.
Larethia Walker used to run Caterpillar Clubhouse and El Shaddai. She's accused of the largest of the thefts, more than $1.2 million for the daycares and more than $26,000 for herself. This property still has remnants of one of Tyondra King's daycares. She operated Community 1 and Community 2, and prosecutors say was overpaid an extra $630,000 to the business and $61,000 to herself. King and her attorney avoided reporters after court. Latanya Williams, too, was silent but visibly upset.
Can we get a comment from you?
I don't think she's prepared to give a comment at this time.
Williams operated Peyton's Funland, now just an empty building. She's accused of accepting an additional $675,000 in public assistance benefits. Daycare Trina's Treehouse has been in the spotlight before. Prosecutors say owner Katrina Clyburn was paid nearly $386,000 additional dollars for the business and $112,000 personally. Prosecutors won't yet specify how they believe each woman committed the fraud.
Part of it is, submitting false information to the agency that was in charge of determining whether child care providers are due the child care assistance benefits. Conduct that we feel that needs to be dealt with on a felony criminal level.
Now, the Cabinet for Health and Family Services Office of the Inspector General released this statement following the 4 indictments. Benefits fraud is a serious crime that steals precious, limited resources from deserving individuals who are legitimately in need and erodes the public's confidence in government programs. This office will continue to vigorously investigate and prosecute these crimes. In March of last year, the Cabinet revoked 18 local daycare licenses, including the ones owned by the defendants, because of fraud allegations. I'm Marissa Alter, WLKY News.